Hello and welcome to Havířov and our virtual factory tour. Havířov is one of two Mölnlycke production facilities in the Czech Republic to manage our growing procedure pack tray business. Did you know that we sell trays in 64 different markets and 18,000 different tray configurations? Today, we'll tell you how Mölnlycke's major investment in the Havířov factory fits into this growth and supports your OR efficiency goals. Havířov is the newer of the two sites and was opened in 2017. To support growth, the Havířov factory is impressively large, reaching the length of 7 football pitches, a width of 80 meters, and a land surface area of 10 hectares. Now, let's start the tour. The total capacity of our tray production is 10 million trays per year. The new Havířov facility unifies the full tray production process by bringing sterilization, which has previously been outsourced, in-house. This makes Havířov the largest in-house sterilization facility in Europe. Now we are entering our goods receiving area, and this is where the tray journey begins. In total, we have 22 trucks delivering components to our facilities each day. Taking delivery of goods happens the same way as in every hospital or warehouse. Supply chain and logistic activities involving goods arriving from many different suppliers. Keeping this information organized, checking delivery notes, matching invoices with orders, and ensuring that deliveries are free from transport damage takes a lot of time. With around 5,000 active tray components available, you can understand how our goods receiving area is a very busy place, especially when every delivery needs to be inspected. Before any components can be released into production, we do a thorough quality check. For first-time deliveries and with some selected suppliers, our quality inspectors do a 100% manual incoming inspection check according to the supplier's specifications. This takes place in the clean room right next to the receiving area. For regular deliveries, we work with sampling of goods before they can be released and stored in our warehouse. Materials with a high risk for bioburden contamination will be sent to our lab for testing. This to avoid high germ contamination in our production line. We ensure that all of our procedure pack trays are registered and compliant with MDR 2017-745, which is Article 22 according to systems and procedure packs. This is applicable to the overall tray product. We work closely with all of our suppliers to ensure that each of our tray components is transitioned to MDR, and we are removing components that do not comply. We will be fully compliant with the directive by the deadline in 2024. The Havířov warehouse has 14-meter high picking abilities. The driver can pick cartons by moving the forklift up and down. We have 20,000 storage locations for components in both of our facilities. The truck is led by an electrostatic induction guide in the floor. It features a safety system, which makes it stop automatically when it comes across a potential obstacle. And in case of a power disruption, our forklifts can operate up to 8 hours without additional charging. Safety is, of course, of paramount importance. In the unlikely event of a fire, our sprinkler system and fireproof curtains ensure that the warehouse is split into different compartments to prevent the fire from spreading. Each storage level is equipped with sprinklers. On the other side of the warehouse, we have our semi-clean area where we transfer goods from carton boxes into the production area. We are now entering our semi-clean area. Our semi-clean rooms have an overpressure of 5 Pascal to prevent particle migration from the surrounding areas. This overpressure is cascaded through to our clean rooms, which have an overpressure of 10 Pascal. In total, our clean room area is 22,000 cubic meters. To maintain its clean status, all the air is changed and filtered 10 times per hour. That makes 220 million liters of air being exchanged every single hour. At these workstations, where operators put the components from the original transportation cartons into plastic bins that can be transferred into the cleanroom area, as dust or wood particles cannot be present in our clean rooms. The operators count the components, verify that they are the right components, and check whether there are any special instructions. In total, we process 1 million components each day for our tray production at both facilities. The components then go to a fully automated warehouse that has 5 carousels and contains about 6,000 plastic bins. Here, the components are stored in a clean room environment awaiting their final production order. Some components are consumed more than 5,000 times per day. For larger and high consumption components, we put them into big trolleys. The bottom of the storage trolley moves up as it empties, making it easy for our operators to reach in. This to support an ergonomic working environment. Materials with a high turnover, such as our gowns and drapes, are produced by our Mölnlycke sister factories in Belgium and Thailand.